What's up, copiers? Welcome back. On today's episode, I'm going to show you a cool little trick that Toshiba added starting with the 40 series machines and moving forward. You can actually enter into the service modes through the main screen without having to shut down the machine. So if you want to know how to do that, stick around. I got the video for you.
Copier copying, take 3.
So if you've watched my channel before, you've probably seen a couple videos where I have to enter into the 08 service mode. And then to do that, normally what you would do is you would shut down the machine, you'd hold down 0 and 8, reboot the machine while holding 0 and 8, and wait for it to boot up into that service mode. But sometimes that can be kind of annoying, especially if you just need to change a quick setting and you want to get right back to making copies or doing prints or whatever you need. So Toshiba added a quick little function that you can do from the main screen here that allows you to get in and have access to those modes simply by typing in a code on the keypad. So from the main screen of the copier, if you want to enter into the ServiceUI is what it's called, you can do that by hitting the user functions button and then typing in the code, which is #1048, press and hold pound for about 4 seconds, and then you can see that a service technician password or the service password is being requested. At this point, I don't have a service password set up, so I'm going to hit OK, and then there you go. Here is all your different service modes that you can enter in, 08 being probably the most commonly used. But what you're going to do is highlight it, click Next, and then you have your different menu options of what you want to do. Going into each one of these is going to get you deeper and deeper into the different settings. Another thing you can do is go up here and hit the classic mode, which is what I like, and it takes you to that familiar screen that you've seen me use before, where you can then just type in the code or the setting number that you want to change, hit the start button, and then go about your business doing changing whatever settings you need to change. When I hit cancel, it takes me back to the service mode menu screen. And then if I want to go back and make a copy, I'm just going to hit return and hit exit. This does sometimes take a little while to go back into the regular mode. This process usually doesn't take as long as it does to shut the machine down and boot it back up. That's why this little service mode or service UI is pretty handy. And there you go. That took about 60 seconds to do, but we're back at the main screen. The settings that we've changed have now taken effect, and we can now go about our day and continue copying, continue printing, and everything is good to go. So I hope that helped. Thanks a lot.